In the previous step, you made the slip knot. You will need it now as we begin learning to hold the yarn. I'll show you the most basic holding technique first. Later, I will teach you how to adjust it for your comfort. Let's begin. Place your hand with the palm facing you. Lay the working yarn over your pinky and ring fingers. Bend those fingers. Guide the working yarn behind the middle and index fingers. Now guide the yarn over the index finger. Lay the yarn on the middle fingertip. Pinch the yarn with your thumb. This is the most basic way to hold your yarn. Your thumb and middle finger hold the piece. Your index finger feeds the yarn to the hook and controls the tension. Your pinky and ring finger also help with tension. All hands are different. This hold might not feel comfortable for you. The first adjustment is to unfold your pinky and ring fingers. Check the tension. If the yarn pulls out too easily, wrap the working yarn around your pinky, or wrap it around your pinky and ring finger. This keeps your fingers straight and relaxed. The loop around the fingers holds the yarn back. Another option is to wrap the working yarn only over your index finger. You can still hold the yarn with your ring finger and pinky, or you can release them. The yarn will be controlled only by the index finger and the loops around it. Great. Let's move on to adding the hook